Advanced Risk Management presents Stair Safety. Each year, over 1 million injuries and 12,000 deaths occur due to stairways. Over half of these are at home, the place where we feel safest. In order to promote the health and safety of our staff, Advanced Risk Management introduces to you this instructional video on how to overcome the dangers of stairways. In this video, we hope to take your safety while climbing the stairs to new heights, and our simple instructions are sure to put you on a step in the right direction. These simple steps will prevent most problem areas and keep you on your feet. First, keep your whole foot planted on each step, being careful to avoid an incomplete step. Next, make sure your shoes are tied firmly, avoiding dangling laces, which may become a tripping hazard while ascending the stairs. Never attempt something as dangerous as climbing the stairs while distracted, such as eating or using electronic devices. Friends can be fun, but a good friend avoids any horseplay to keep those they care about and themselves from injury, especially during a dangerous activity like climbing the stairs. Why anyone would attempt to climb the stairs in the dark is hard to fathom, but how dangerous it can be is easy to see. For those who are innately prone to clumsiness or lack of good coordination and/or balance, our beginner's approach to climbing the stairs is best. Simply taking the stairs one step at a time, literally, ensures the maximum balance is achieved while both feet stay on the floor and the hand is on the rail. It is difficult to trip this one up. For those who feel at ease, are not at all clumsy, and have an excellent coordination and balance, they may attempt this intermediate stair climbing technique. Notice that it is much quicker, but also easier to trip, as each foot spends a minimum amount of time on the floor. Finally, for those who are athletically inclined and have near perfect coordination and balance, this expert technique allows for rapid movement up the stairs, taking several steps with each stride. Disclaimer: this video is not actually endorsed by Advanced Risk Management. Any resemblance to any actual safety video is purely coincidental. These are poorly paid actors and not actual experts in balance, coordination, safety, or climbing the stairs.